Hello and welcome once again to the Rugged Rockhound. Guess what? I got some more of the big rocks cut with my neighbor who's got the larger saw. So let's take a look at them. One of them is an agate. I've been waiting years. It was one of the agates from those canyons south of Eureka. Boy, I can't remember the names now. But it was the biggest agate I ever found out there, and I never got it cut. I finally got it cut open. So let's take a look at these as well as a bunch of other things and see what I got. Starting off with a Jasper nodule from the San Rafael swell. This one fractured a bunch, so a piece fell off there. This broke into 3 pieces, and here we go. Okay, this is a pretty normal one. Looks like it mostly fractured because it had a pocket in it, and that sometimes allows it to fracture a lot. Oh well, that's all right. It's still pretty cool. Next up, we've got a mysterious nodule that might be Jasper or agate or something like that, and it kind of is. Yeah, it is a little bit. It's not great, but it is. A little bit of an agate, kind of a plume in it. Next up, we've got this nice red agate, hopefully replacing some barite in here from Yellowcat, and not much, but there is some. There is some red agate in there. A lot of the barite's still there or got replaced by other chalcedony agate that was not red. Here we have another Dougway geode. Oh, nice. As always, Dougway geodes don't disappoint. Of course, some are better than others. This one is not as good, but I'll take it. Here's one of the larger pieces of black agate from Leavan that I haven't cut yet. I'm guessing it'll probably look like that. And, oh, mostly, yeah, it's only on part of it, but look at the red in there. That is really cool. Nice. That's better than I expected. Some of you may remember this large chalcedony nodule agate that I got last year when I went up to Red Hill. I've been looking forward to cutting this, and not as good as I was hoping. You can faintly see that it's got the banding in it. It's just, it doesn't change much, so it's very hard to see. And it has a tiny pocket in the middle. I mean, it's still nice. It's just not as good as I was hoping. Here's another one of those red agates from Yellowcat. Here we go. Very nice. This has got some good red in it. It even has some yellow too. The matrix, the rock itself is neat. That's a good one. Here's a nice long piece of Vernon Wonderstone. And nice. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful stuff. Here's another big Dougway geode. It looks like it's multi-chambered. Yes. Very nice. Oh, I like the quartz crystals in that bottom pocket. That's a nice one. Good old Dougway geodes. And here it is. The last one of the day. This is the agate that I found in that new area that I discovered that wasn't really known, south of Eureka in Utah. And this is the biggest one I ever found. I've been wanting to cut it for a while. I've cut it twice here to show you because it is spectacular. Here we go. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Not only do you have a nice agate, you also have a lot of inclusions that just make it exceptional. What a beautiful piece of agate. And I cut it again, and it kept going. It just kept going. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful stuff. This was so worth it. And there you have it, some beautiful stuff. I've been looking forward to seeing that agate for so long. It's so awesome to finally see it. Wonderful stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. And I'm just so happy to be rock hounding and cutting and doing all kinds of stuff again. So, yeah, we'll have to keep cutting some more stuff. I'm going to try and see if I can keep cutting every week. It'd be nice to have a weekly, like Monday video where I can have something cut open for you guys. And very soon, we're going to be moving to Rexburg, Idaho. And I can't wait to rock hound up there. Until next time, remember, there's treasure everywhere.